Hi everyone, this is Neetu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this second lecture series video, we have to learn about defining identity as a service, IDAS. Identity as a service. It provides cloud-based identity management solution, enabling organizing to manage user identification and access securely. So it is extremely authentication process while enhancing security and compliance. So in the previous slide, we know the authorization and authentication in the slide. So in this lecture series, we have to know about the authentication, identity, password, and I cover the more of this topic. So understanding IDAs. Understanding IDAs enable organization to efficiently handle user identity, authentication, and access control while providing various deployment models to meet different needs. Like when we download any applications or any web applications, so the particular time we have to see the login page, correct? The login page, we must to log in the username and the password, then only we enter the application and we start to uh, start the application when we gaming and we scrolling the application. So first the main thing is we have to log in the application. So that particular term is an identity. So when the identity provides a service is called identity as a service. So definition, cloud-based identity management services, and the core functions SSO, MFA, and access management. And the deployment model is private, public, and hybrid. Public means the common people's where we are using common place, and the private means only used for the organization or IT sectors, it's using the private. And hybrid, the multinational companies, and this is they are using in the cloud. And the benefits of IDAs is cost efficient, scalability, and enhanced security. This is not only suitable for IDAs, it is suitable for IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and software as a service. And the cost efficient is organized and can reduce the infrastructure cost and operational overhead. And the scalability means it can easily scale to access our adaptable business growth to increasing the user number. And the enhanced security means to protect the environment, platform, and the software through the identity as a service. And the next one is key features of IDAS. So SSO, it is called a single sign-on. When we are logging in the email, once we just log in the mail, and automatically when the web browser on the when applications or when download, it automatically convert the Google Chrome and the Gmail applications. That is called a single sign on, allows user to log in at once in access to the multiple applications. And the MFT means multi-factor authentication. And the multi-factor authentication means adds extra security by securing the multiple forms of verification. And the third one is user provisions, seamless onboarding and the offboarding process for timely access. And the next one is users cases. I separately partition the three parts: enterprise solution, customer identity and the access management, and the compliance the management. And this is the market landscape, key planners, market growth, and competitive advantage. This is the slide. I covered the company names and the kit names. I provide this, and also I provide the service models also. Challenges in IDA's adaptation. So this is very transparency conditions are applied in this IDA's adaptation. So the data privacy concern is compliance and when entering the user identity to third-party providers, and the complexity existing the system and application can be complex, to ensure seamless operations. And the vendor lock-in. When the vendors are locked the application, it once completely exceed strategy before adapting IDEAs. And this is the future enhancement of IDEAs. And the conclusion, investment strategy and the continuous evaluation. This is a IDEA's concept of I will be covered. Thank you.